Hi guys, this is Chika with borrowdelights.com, and on this episode I'm going to share with you how to make my homemade unsweetened applesauce. I'm starting by coring my apple, and I'm just using my knife to do that. I'm just cutting around the core of my apple. Of course, if you have an apple corer, go ahead and use that. And for this recipe, I'm using Ambrosia apples. If you don't want to use Ambrosia apples or you don't have access to Ambrosia apples, you could also use either Fuji or Gala apples or a combination of both. Or if you wanted your applesauce to be a little bit tart, you can also throw in one Granny Smith apple. So once you've cored your apples, you're going to remove the skin using a paring knife, and then you're going to just cut them into some chunks and place them into a saucepan with a little bit of water, and you're going to cook your apples over medium-low heat until they're nice and soft and fork tender. Once they're fully cooked through, you can use either a potato masher or a fork to mash your apples, or you can place your apples into the blender and blend them, or go in with an immersion blender to blend them as well if you want a really smooth applesauce. I like my applesauce to have a little bit of texture to it, so I just like to use my fork. And that's about it. You can go ahead and store this either in the fridge or the freezer. As you noticed, in addition to there being no added sugar to this applesauce, I also did not add any spices to it either, because I like to use my applesauce for both savory and sweet recipes. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.